So until the last video, we saw how to count the number of digits in a given number. In the today's exercise, we are going to see how to calculate the sum of elements in a given matrix. So I will quickly insert the boilerplate, and inside that I will just declare int n and int m. I will ask user to enter the number of rows, and columns, and store those in the scanf function %d, and ampersand and ampersand n. After storing it, here we have to write scanf. So after storing it, we have to declare a matrix int matrix where number of rows will be n, number of columns will be n. After this, we will run a for loop. Inside the for loop, we'll declare int I is equals to 0, I is less than n for the number of rows, and I plus plus. We have to also take a number of columns, so we will again run another for loop inside this for loop, and we will declare j equals to 0, j less than n, and j plus plus. So now we will ask user to print the matrix elements. %d and %d element of the matrix. This we are going to store in a scanf function %d ampersand matrix ing. So we have taken the number of rows and columns from the user, and we have used a for loop, and inside the for loop we have used another for loop for the number of rows and number of columns respectively. After taking the input of the elements from the user, we have to calculate the sum. So I will copy this code of for loop. I will again run this code, but instead of printing f and scanning f, what we have to do is we have to calculate the sum. Sum is equals to sum plus matrix ing, matrix I and matrix j. We have to declare sum is equals to 0. So one semicolon is remaining here. I will put that. So I will run a code now. Let's wait for our run code to compile. Okay. Enter the number of rows and numbers. So number of rows I will take 3. Number of columns I will take 2. %d element and %d matrix. Somewhere I have used the scanf function. In printf I have used ampersand. Enter the %d element and %d element of the matrix. Okay, here I have to declare what is that. So I will declare I and j. I will run the code again. First, let's just clear our screen, CLS, and code the run again. Number of rows 2, number of columns. Sorry, number of rows 3, number of column 2. Then it is asking me to enter the 0th element. So 00 is, let's say 3, 01 is 2, 10 is 2, So the 1 element 54, 2 element, let's say 65, 2 element 34. So I have not given the output of sum. So I will type here printf the addition of if the matrix is percentage d. Percentage d will return the sum. So expected a semicolon. Okay, here semicolon. We'll run the program again and let's just wait for it to compile. Just run it again. The program is taking time to compile. Enter a number of rows. So number of rows will be 3. Number of columns will be 2. 0, 0 matrix 23. Let's enter some numbers, random numbers. 67. Okay. So I have given these inputs for 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 2, 0 and 2, 1 element. And the addition of those elements is 292. So this was a program to calculate the sum of elements in a number, sum of elements in a matrix. If you wanted to print the matrix in a matrix format, elements of the matrix, then we can use the printf function. We will set percentage d, enter a space. We will enter here matrix element that is I and j. I and j. And also enter a new line character to enter backslash n here in the new line. I will run the code again. Enter the number of rows 3, column 2. I will quickly enter the random values. So the addition I have got successfully with the matrix format. Printf I have given this percentage d space and backslash n. Think I have to give some more backslash n. Let's backslash n. Percentage d space. Here there will not be a backslash n. Okay, I will run the program again. 3, 2, and give the random values of the matrix. So here we successfully got the matrix format 4, 34, 65, 6, 8, 7, 89, and finally the addition 906. So this was all for the today's video. Calculate the sum of elements in the matrix. Thank you.